I'm Jonna Brown, and I am a trust and estates attorney, and I work at Citizens Bank. I live in beautiful Juno Beach, Florida, and I have 3 daughters, all who attended the University of Florida. So in April of 2023, I went to the dentist for a normal teeth cleaning. I started to feel severe chills and heat like I've never felt them before. Unbeknownst to me, I had underlying heart condition that caused the complications to my heart. They ran a bunch of tests and they determined that I had some heart valve issues. I had stenosis, I think, in both of the valves, and one of the valves was a bicuspid valve. And in addition to that, I had an abscess in my heart. Once they determined at Jupiter Medical what my condition was and that they were unable to do the necessary surgery, it was determined that UF Health would be the best place for me to go.
She was transferred here because we are one of the few places in the Southeast that actually does the procedure necessary. We had long discussions about the magnitude and the problems. And then the following day, we performed a very complex operation, involved a very complicated reconstruction of what we call the aortic root, the aorta mitral continuity, and the mitral valve.
I think he had told me he had done this surgery over 100 times. So wow, that, gives you a ton of confidence.
I could tell that their entire family was so concerned and nervous about everything. And I did what I normally do. I said, I don't know your faith background. Would you mind if I prayed with you and your family? And we did. And I think it brought them a lot of peace that it always does.
It's just very thoughtful, right, and considerate. This person really cares about me. This person really cares about my family. I instantly knew that I was where I should be and I was in great hands, and just had to, just let go and pray for the best. My surgery was 11 hours long, and I came out of the surgery. I'm still here, but my kidneys took a hit because I think I was on the heart and lung machine for so long. So I'm currently on dialysis and currently in the process of pursuing a kidney transplant. Dr. Martin calls me. He's a busy guy, and he was like, yes, you should have your transplant here. Your surgical team is here, and we basically know you inside and out. He had a whole team of people that were, super caring and gentle and considerate, kind, and, obviously very talented at what they did. So in addition to Dr. Martin, you had, I felt like, my gosh, I've got this amazing team of people that will be looking out for me.
The entire team has the attitude that we're the final stop, that we're the ones that will take on the patients that no one else wants to take on, and that we will give the best care to the patients that are possible.
So I'm have a scar that I wear proudly because I think it's, a sign of my strength of surviving this. We have a 35-foot contender, and when the kids were little, we would spend hours on that, where it was just our family on the boat, fishing and diving and being together. I think that has bonded us. So I am dreaming about, getting back in the ocean and swimming and diving again. I cannot wait. I just want to say a huge thank you, because being in the hospital is not, not any place anybody wants to be. But if you have to go to the hospital, UF Health is the place to be. They take great care of you.